In a small village lived a boy named Aarya, known for his curiosity and dreams. One day, he heard people talking about a beautiful garden on the other side of the river, a place full of colourful flowers and rare birds. But there was one problem. The only bridge to the garden was broken. Most villagers never tried to cross it. They simply said, "It's impossible, the bridge is too old." And they continued with their daily routines. But Aarya wanted to see the garden with his own eyes. The next morning, he walked to the riverbank. The bridge looked weak, with missing planks and shaky ropes. Aarya felt afraid, but he also felt determined. People passing by laughed. "A boy like you? You think you can cross that bridge?" Aarya looked down at the rushing water. His hands trembled. His heart pounded. As he stood thinking, an old man approached him. "Why are you staring at the bridge, child?" he asked. Aarya said, "I want to see the garden, but everyone says it's too dangerous." The old man smiled. "Everything looks impossible until someone tries. Cross not with fear, but with awareness." Encouraged, Aarya stepped onto the first plank. It wobbled. His heartbeat increased, but he didn't step back. He held the rope tight and moved slowly. Halfway across, a gust of wind shook the bridge. Aarya froze. His legs trembled. His mind whispered, "Turn back. You can't do it." But then he remembered something his mother always said. "Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward even when you're afraid." Aarya closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and took the next step. Then another, and another. Every step hurt. Every step scared him. But every step made him stronger. Finally, he reached the other side. The moment he stepped onto the ground, he was amazed. The garden was even more beautiful than he imagined. Flowers in every colour, butterflies dancing in the air, and a peaceful silence. As he walked around, he noticed a small wooden sign. "This garden is for those who don't stop at fear." Aarya smiled. He understood the message. When he returned to the village, people gathered around him. "You really crossed the bridge?" they asked, surprised. Aarya nodded. They expected him to boast, but he simply said, "The bridge was only broken for those who never tried."
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a magical day.